Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, the government has paused plans to deploy troops to Haiti. My wisdom warriors, at this me buck up in this morning. Who believe this? Who believe this, my wisdom warriors? Because I'm here and I'm saying, really? After so many weeks of planning, really, can member say, member say the government have a tendency to come out and tell with this and tell with that, and then they hide and go do things. Anyway, this as Jamaica continues to recover from the 3rd of July passage of Hurricane Beryl. Information Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon provided the update at Wednesday post-cabinet media briefing. The deployment of the troops forms part of a UN-backed, Kenyan-led multinational intervention force to assist with the restoration of law and order in crisis-torn Haiti. So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear that? So Andrew Holness say, because remember say everybody did a lick out against this, Remember say everybody did a lick out against this. And remember say Andrew was the first one to jump up and say, I'm going to help. Remember good, It was Jamaica who first jump up and said, I'm going to help Haiti. Now he come out and he say, put it on pause. Let's see if he really put it on pause. For me, they fi galang over there because none of them soldier they ain't going like them body. They fi galang over there and face real war because the only people them they war with are the civilians them. The only people them they war with, my wisdom warrior, is the citizens of Jamaica, and they don't know about real war, so they fi galang go fight real war. Who agree with me? If you don't agree, say agree. But you don't have to agree with me, But me just attack my mind. Me just attack my mind because they have strength for the citizen them. Yes, they have strength for we, my wisdom warriors. This is why me really want them go, Yeah, me really want them go face real war. Me want to remember, say, me lick out against this, from the very start. Who remember? I was the first person that came out and me I lick out against it. But the way how me see them gone over Maroon land, I harass the people them. When you look, one truck load of soldier, one bus load of soldier gone over the Maroons land. Me I say, I believe they fi go. They fi go along at 80 go face real war. They fi go and go learn something new. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, you tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you think say Andrew Holness are going to send them in at the NRW because you know him already. He always jump up and say, nah, do this. Just like when do with the Samoa agreement. Remember good, no? Jamaica was the first country. Let me not say Jamaica. Andrew Holness was the first prime minister that jump up and say, them nah sign Samoa agreement. Remember good. Andrew Holness was the first one who said, we not sign that because you go within this and you go within that. Yeah. Andrew Holness, it's in the article, nothing I hide. He was the first person who jump up and say, I'm going to sign some more agreement. When he see the reaction of the people and how everybody was reacting, him say, all right, I'm going to delay it. Yeah, he say, I'm going to delay it. And then now, then calm it down from 2021, 2020. We not hear nothing. Then after a sudden, boom, ambassador sign it on the behalf of Andrew Holness. Yeah, so this is why I say maybe this are just for test the people. Cause remember, me telling us that Andrew Holness like to test the waters first, and this is what he did with the Samoa agreement. Remember, it didn't do with the Samoa agreement. My wisdom warriors, he first jump up. At that thing, he first jump up and he say, help, and then after he delay, you understand, and then after he go do it behind my back. So let's see. Let's see, because it's a government hit pause on plans to deploy troops. So hopefully them not go in a one sense. But really and truly, I would like them to go to face real war. They never face real war yet. They only had for the citizen. Them blood boil up for we, I don't know why. Because you know, say soldier is trained to KILL. You did know that? Soldiers are trained to KILL. This is why I not understand why Andrew Holness always a flock the soldier them all over Jamaica. Anytime something happen, the first thing he go for Zozo. Why? That is not good, Andrew Holness, because soldier was trained to KILL. So when they go out, they not go have sympathy. They not go have sympathy. You understand me? My wisdom warriors, want to tell me one thing and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government is to begin distribution of Hurricane Beryl relief checks on Monday. Wanna hear that? Make sure someone like and share, you know. Send it go give one of friends. Send it go give one of families. Because Andrew Holness say check I go out from this coming Monday, my wisdom warriors. Speaking on Friday, Mr. Holness says it's anticipated to complete total handing out over the next 3 to 4 weeks. Lord Jesus. All right. Beneficiaries of Monday exercise are persons deemed to have completely lost their homes. Those persons will receive a grant of $400,000. So my wisdom warriors, this is what Andrew is saying. So I'm just pass on the message over to Uno. So remember, him said from Monday, them are going to start distribute the checks. All right. So Uno just stay tuned. And let me just say what a go on, pan what a go on. Anyway, hear this. In the wake of daily demonstrations for electricity in St. Elizabeth, the Jamaica Public Service Company is again seeking to assure frustrated residents that its crews are working to restore power to areas still in darkness. Disgruntled residents of 2 Northwest St. Elizabeth communities took to the streets on Friday to vent their frustration with the delayed restoration of electricity to their communities. Right now, my wisdom warriors, according to the article, they said JPS is begging for more patience as it works to restore power to customers. The reason why they must say JPS is begging, my wisdom warriors, you know what? I don't really understand all of this that is going on. Because, as I said before, I'm going to say it all the time. When it was 5, 6 days, 5, 6, 7 days after burial, I remember PNP was talking about it and was saying, JPS, on a need to hurry up and fix the people them light. It was the same very person, Daryl Vaz and Andrew Holness, defending JPS. And say how JPS is working tirelessly. And the JPS people, them, some of them home mash up. And that Andrew Holness and Daryl Vaz did that, so then did that defend JPS go and JPS come. After a sudden through them fall out now, them start to say how them are going to sanction JPS. My wisdom warriors, you can't stay there. You don't know what all are. Andrew Holness said them are going to sanction JPS. Through them and JPS kick off, you know, me tell us that them are all hypocrite. Take a look at this, my wisdom warriors. Take a look at the screen. JPS facing sanctions for delay in power restoration. The only person to get blaming at this is the government. Yes, it's the government. I don't know why. I say it already, I'm going to say it again. When Peter Bunting and Philip Powell stand up 5, 6 days after burial, Andrew Holness jumped down them throat and said 95.5% of Jamaica have electricity. That is what they said. Them start cuss PNP and say PNP are wicked because their JPS is working so tirelessly and one bag of something. Yes. But if Uno did a work with PNP from them time there, if Uno did a work with PNP from then time there, we wouldn't in this situation here right now. So anybody forget blame is the government me I blame. I them forget blame my wisdom warriors. So you can't tell me one thing. But I believe I them forget the blame because then wait till weeks after. Through them JPS kick off now. You see them a switch. You see them a switch. I all lizard them you know. A old lizard. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OWA, is threatening to slap the Jamaica Public Service Company Limited with sanctions if it failed to restore electricity to 100% of customers by August the 12th. My wisdom warriors, I believe Andrew Owens have something up his sleeve. Uno can't stay there. I believe Andrew Owens have something up his sleeve, but them I go sanction. So uno I go sanction a company where we the whole Jamaica have a depend on for light. Tell me if this makes sense. Eh? So uno decide so uno I go sanction them. But uno no easy. Uno no easy. This is why now the article is coming out and said JPS is begging my wisdom warriors. Me not see the begging, you know. I don't see the begging at all what them a talk about, because it was the government that say they don't have enough people and them are going to get workers from overseas. It was the same Andrew Owens and Darrell Valls come out. But true now, they now cut peas a line now, and that's the problem. That is the big problem. Me tell you about them. The utility regulator says the move is based on the fact that the company has missed previously established timelines in its post-burial response. In a statement issued to the media on Friday, the OWA says that except for areas specified as inaccessible, JPS is mandated to stick to the latest schedule to repair network infrastructure damage due to the passage of the hurricane a month ago. My wisdom warriors, you know what? They might use the deadline them. With them same one did a back, you know. They might use the deadline where JPS did say they might go fix it by this, fix it by that. Where them same one did a back, Andrew Owens them. Now only 19% alone in a JPS. We Jamaica have in a JPS. And Andrew Owens I go sell out that 19%. Them are going to sell out that 19% and left with zero. Then if we have 19% and we in so much problem so with JPS. What going to happen when we have 0%? And when you come out to talk about sanction, you must have a plan. Me know only in Andrew Owens. You have a plan. You have a plan. And also my wisdom warriors, a long time Andrew Owens want bring in nuclear plant. When I hear about the nuclear plant, I remember Talking Mine was talking about it years ago. Quite a while back. Sometime in touch upon it. Who remember that? Who remember the nuclear plant where Andrew Owens? You can't stay there. You don't know what all and you don't know. That's why I always tell people, say, do no research. Do no research, my wisdom warriors. And you see them talk about solar system. It a go cost Jamaican people. If you don't follow the government solar system, I tell you, it a go cost on the backside. It a go cost, It better the community. I think everybody in the same community, I think it's best if you come together and buy a solar system. Everybody in a one community. Remember me tell you, it a go work for you, and that's for JPS. You don't have to wait upon them. If all of buy a solar system, if all of the community come together, chump up money, just like how enough of in the community, chump up money, go pay JPS, just forget back light. Make you understand, uno. And look what JPS say. Look what JPS say about the estimated bills. After enough of uno chump up on money, just for switch on back on a light. So just like how uno can chump up on money, what I'm trying to say to you guys, uno come together, everybody in the community, and buy a solar system. Buy a solar system. We can help the whole community. It will work. It will work, my wisdom warriors. Anyway, hear this. Take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. Jamaica to go nuclear. Prime Minister Andrew Owens has signaled the intentions of the government to integrate nuclear energy in the country's energy mix. My wisdom warriors, I want to listen carefully. Yeah? Speaking at the opening ceremony of Expo Jamaica 2023 last week, Thursday, April 28, 2023, the Prime Minister revealed that already he had spoken to the International Atomic Energy Agency, which is called the IAEA, the World Central Intergovernmental Forum for Scientific and Technical Cooperation in the Nuclear Field. Me want to listen good enough. Can I tell you, say Andrew Owens have something up his sleeve. You see, from when Him say he already contacted people them from 2023. But we all know say for a long time him a pray that. Anyway, the move will form part of the government of Jamaica's national energy policy, which in part aims to generate 50% of electric energy from renewable sources by 2030. This Holness said will make the supply of electricity more reliable, more available, and more affordable. My wisdom warriors. Jamaica has to explore new technology in the form of nuclear energy. Small nuclear plants to generate in Jamaica, which is cheaper, more stable, and more affordable, he explained. The move has been welcomed by President of the Jamaica Renewable Energy Association, JREA, Alex Hill, who informed the Jamaica Observer, because I'm reading this from the Observer, my wisdom warriors, that nuclear cannot be written off as future energy source. He added that though there are pros and cons, the energy source should be considered for integration into the country's energy mix over the next 5 years. Last October, Jamaican billionaire and chairman of Portland Holdings, Michael Leachin, signed a memorandum of understanding with the Canadian Nuclear Laboratory, CNL, under which he will be promoting nuclear technology. I want to listen to my wisdom warriors. This is why when I say Leachin come out other day defend Andrew Holness. Me tell us that the whole of them are labor, right? The whole of them are the same blasted thing. When I hear this here, Chairman of Portland Holdings, Michael Leachin, signed a memorandum of understanding with the Canadian Nuclear Laboratory, which is called the CNL, under which he will be promoting nuclear technology through small modular reactors called the SMRs as the means to decarbonize electricity production across the world. When asked by Business Observer if Jamaica will be targeted for SMRs, he responded, "Every country is a target." Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Hey, whether you are a large oil producing nation or Jamaica, there are demands for our services. Still, Vice President of JREA, Jason Robinson, is of a completely different opinion to his colleague Hill, explaining that Jamaica is not ready. Thank you so much, Vice President Jason Robinson. Thank you. And you're not ready for this yet. And Jamaica people don't know what Andrew do. Because they now read. The first person me hear talk about this is Talking Mind TV. I want to stay there. The first person Talking Mind TV I talk about this over 2 years now. Me here Talking Mind TV come out with it. And I want to know. And I want to know. Yeah. Yeah. Seriously, my wisdom warriors. Seriously. May I tell you now. Andrew, Jamaica not ready for this. Maybe Andrew ready, but we Jamaican people not ready for this nuclear plant. It is dangerous. However, Jason Robinson is saying, for such energy sources, we'll never be ready for this. We'll never be ready for this, my wisdom warriors. Jamaica is located in a hurricane and earthquake zone, which puts us in extreme danger without having to worry about a nuclear meltdown. Also, Jamaica brand is a natural vibe, not a one that fits well with nuclear energy. And a real talk, this are my wisdom warriors. But anything Andrew Holness, the big country do, ain't follow. me just not get Andrew Holness. Me just really not get Andrew Holness. Also, Jamaica brand is a natural vibe, not a one that fits well with nuclear energy. I think it would take a lot away from brand Jamaica in terms of tourism as well, he contended. This is the vice president. He not agree with Andrew Holness and me not agree with Andrew Holness. Let me tell you now why me not agree with Andrew Holness. Them never ready yet. When me say ready, me just give an example. Like you have the healthcare system. They feel they don't have enough trained personnel. You understand? Remember, you know, these things you need engineer. Well qualified professional engineer. These people are well trained. You understand? You have them. Remember, nuclear a dangerous thing, you know, my wisdom warriors. Nuclear plant a serious thing, you know. Serious, you know. Me no know, you know, it look like Andrew Holness step on a different thing, you know. Maybe we have to go from Jamaica, you know. When Andrew Holness bring in this nuclear plant, you know. You see what happened in a Ukraine? You see what happened when they touch, when one of the sitting there touch their nuclear plant over there? My wisdom warriors and your owners, I play with fire. But you think we are going to get burned? He might play with fire and think that Jamaican people are going to get burned. And him are going to get it. Not we. Not we. So I don't know why Andrew owners are come up with this nuclear plant when you can't even manage. People money are going missing from their account and they can't even control that. They can't even control that. But Leachin is out here signing documents. Really, Andrew owners? Really now? I'm sure the big question everybody is asking is, what is a nuclear power plant? A nuclear power plant, NPP, is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. As is typical of thermal power station, heat is used to generate steam that drives a steam turbine connected to a generator that produces electricity. As of September 2023, the International Atomic Energy Agency reported there were 410 nuclear power reactors in operation in 32 countries around the world and 57 nuclear power reactors under construction. Accident at nuclear power plant can be really dangerous, my wisdom warriors. At high doses, ionizing radiation can cause immediate damage to a person's body, including at very high doses, radiation, sickness, and death. At lower doses, ionizing radiation can cause health effects such as cardiovascular disease and cataract, as well as cancer. My wisdom warriors, what I'm trying to say, remember, we're very slow in every single area in Jamaica. And if there's an accident, like, come on, the least little touch you get, the radiation are going to make a lot of people sick and can cause death. This is why I try to explain to you. Jamaica not ready for this yet. We're not ready for this yet, man. We're not ready for that yet. And you want to say I put too much on the people. It look like sitting there you depend. I don't really want to say the word, you know. That same word there where them use down at Palestine there. It look like that the mission there. And I want to read between the lines. It look like that the mission the Andrew Depan, you know. Me say me here talk about it about 2 years now. In talk about it now and then, but a good while now me not hear him talk about it. My wisdom warriors. This road where Andrew owners are bring we down. Jamaica. Wake up. Wake up, Jamaica. Wake up. This is why me take my time out to come and explain these things to you. And no found no labor right. If you ever think you bad and come underneath my comment section, I chat rubbish where you no know. Me I tell you no. It pain me heart to see how you now run up and down behind Andrew Honest. It pain me heart. Why would we need a nuclear plant? For do what? What we need nuclear plant for do? We don't need that. We don't need a nuclear plant. And you honest to enough. Everything is the coal country them have him want. Jamaica coal country? Everything is them with the he want. Seriously. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, children and adolescents can be more sensitive to the cancer-causing effects of ionizing radiation than adults because their bodies are still growing and developing. So the least little problem, the least little accident happen with that nuclear plant, something there, yeah, it can kill. It is deadly. Me tell you no. So really and truly, Andrew Honest, we can't control nothing. He failed the healthcare system. I want to read between the lines, you know. He failed in the healthcare system and in other areas also. Yeah? And then slow up on top of it. Look on even with the fire truck. When there's an incident, fire start, people also burn down. Like, come on, it's very weird. Cannot even water they have in the truck. Sometimes an empty truck then send God the scene. Some of us are showing my wisdom warriors how we slow and we don't have a lot of trained personnel in different areas. So for this, Jamaica is not ready. Plus Jamaica can't focus on that. Jamaica can't focus on that because our country are more about hurricane and earthquake. You understand? And you know, with this nuclear planting, it will cause a meltdown. This is too much. Andrew Honest put too much pressure. This is why we have to get rid of him. This is why. So on the stay there, make Andrew Honest build up house a trick, you know. Andrew Honest build up house, it'll go back in a film family account. Not ours. Because Juliet only get the whole of the contract them. My wisdom warriors, I'm going to talk more about this. I'm going to talk more about this maybe tomorrow or probably even later. I'm going to continue with this. You understand? I want to like and share out this video. Remember, when you like and share, it goes around in a YouTube algorithm. Also, I want to follow me on TikTok and IG. Appear something going over there. And also, I don't want to forget on X. So guys, you can check out my TikTok page, my IG page, and my X page. Yeah, that is Twitter. Them change it now to X. Yeah, so I want to go over there and just follow me and just fling in the comment section. Me tell you already, when you comment, me stain it up all over social media. All right. So guys, bless upon a nice clean self. One love.